Good morning, students. Before this, in our previous period, we have already done the expansion in the gases. That means the effects of the heat is already being done in the solid, liquid and the gases. Now we will see what is the effect of this heat. That means how do we feel hot and how do we feel cold when we touch to any object. This we already know that our special sensory organs are there which help us to sense the hot and the coldness of an object. Here we can see one activity that we see that some objects are hotter than the other while some are colder than the others. We cannot decide that this object is hot or cold by touching the object itself. Our sense of touch are reliable. This tells us that this object is hot and that is cold, but we cannot rely only on the sense of touch. For example, we see this activity. You have to take 3 bowls. That means we have to mark them as A, B and C. Pour some hot water in the bowl marked A. In the B, warm water. That means by mixing some cold and the hot water. And in the third bowl, that is C, you have to take only the ice cold water. Now one by one you dip the finger of your hand in the bowl A. First, when you dip your finger in the bowl A, you will feel that the water is very hot. That means your sense of touch tells us that the water is hot. When you put your fingers in the bowl C, that means in which there is a ice cold water, you feel that the water is very cold. But after this, when you bring your hand which was deep in the hot water into the B bowl, what you will observe? That the water is cold. Why? Because in the A bowl, when you dip your hand, that water is very hot, and if you dip it into the bowl B, which consists of the warm water, then you feel that the water is cold. क्योंकि hotter region से थोड़ा कम region में आ गया है, तो तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि वो ठंडा पानी है. But the hand which you have dipped in the bowl C, in which it was the ice cold water, when you dip again this hand into the bowl C, you will feel that the water is hot because in that it is warm water. जैसे ठंडे पानी से तुमने थोड़े से गर्म पानी में हाथ डालोगे तो तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि पानी गर्म है. So we conclude that we cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether the object is hot or cold. Then we come on the temperature. We have discussed that the hotness or the coldness of an object is relative. We can measure the degree of hotness or coldness by comparing it with the standard unit that we all agree upon. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object on some chosen scale is called its temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Commonly used units of temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Now, what is thermometer? The temperature of the body is measured by using a device called thermometer. Thermo in Latin means heat, and thermometer works on the principle of expansion of liquid on heating, which I already explained to you. The thermometer is having 2 standard markings on it, that is known as the fixed point of temperature, which always remains the same. The lower fixed point at which ice melts at the sea level, and the upper fixed point is the temperature at which pure water boils at the sea level. The 3 scales which are used for the measurement of temperature are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Celsius scale is having, in the Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is 0 degree and the upper fixed point is 100 degree. And the interval between the 2 fixed point is divided into 100 divisions. In Fahrenheit scale, the upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit and the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And the interval between the 2 fixed points is divided into 180 divisions. So this is what about the temperature. Now I'll explain you what is the relationship between the Celsius and the Fahrenheit scale. See, I'll send you one note also in which how the Celsius can be converted into Fahrenheit and the Fahrenheit can be converted into the Celsius. In the book, it is only given the conversion of the Celsius into the Fahrenheit, but we will also do the conversion of Fahrenheit into Celsius by using the formula C upon 100 is equals to F minus 32 upon 180 degree. Now I'll explain you how to convert this degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit and degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. To convert degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, we will use the formula degree Celsius upon 100 is equals to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 180, where C is the temperature in Celsius and temperature in Fahrenheit is F. You can also use this formula. Okay. Now see the question here. Calculate the temperature in Celsius scale if the normal body temperature of a boy is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. We already know the formula that we have to convert here Celsius into Fahrenheit. So we will use the formula C upon 100 is equals to F minus 32 upon 180. We'll put the value of F, that is 98.6 degree. C upon 100 is equals to 98.6 minus 32 upon 180. C upon 100 is equals to 98.6 minus 32 is equals to 66.6 divided by 180. We'll do the cross multiplication. You already know in the maths you are doing cross multiplication. So 100 will be multiplied by 66.6. First you divide 66.6 upon 180 and then you multiply it by 100. You will get 37 degree Celsius now. So similarly you have to do the homework here. Convert degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. First one is 59 degree Fahrenheit and second is 108 degree Fahrenheit. Same method you apply it and convert this degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Another is degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. This formula will be used here when we have to convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit is equals to degree Celsius multiplied by 180 upon 100 plus 32. Same way, if the temperature in the Fahrenheit scale we have to calculate and the body temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. We will apply this formula, put the value of degree Celsius, what was given there, 32, multiply 180 upon 100, क्रॉस इसे डिवीजन करोगे तो 1 0 से 0 कैंसिल, 2 9 सा 18, 2 5 सा 10, तो 32 multiplied by 9 is equals to 288 upon 5. Divide 28 upon 5, you will get 57.6 plus 32, so 89.6 degree Fahrenheit. So in this way degree Celsius is converted into degree Fahrenheit. So same way, do the homework here. Convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit, 54 degree Celsius and 110 degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. This is all for today. Thank you.